Hello, friends! Today, we're taking you with us to the village. Come and watch how we perform different actions.
Wash hands. Wash hands means to clean hands thoroughly with water for hygiene.
Wash face. Wash face means to clean the face with water for hygiene. Bake naan. Bake naan means to prepare and cook traditional flatbread in a tandoor or oven. Mop floor. Mop floor means to clean the floor using a mop and water.
Clean house. Clean house means to tidy up and clean the rooms and surfaces of a house.
Collect ashes. Collect ashes means to gather ashes from a fire for reuse or disposal. Wash dishes. Wash dishes means to clean cooking utensils and dishes with water and soap.
Stitch clothes. Stitch clothes means to sew or mend clothes using needle and thread.
Wash clothes. Wash clothes means to clean clothes by scrubbing and rinsing them. Plant flowers. Plant flowers means to put flower plants into soil for growth and decoration. Trim plants. Trim plants means to cut or prune plants to shape or maintain them.
Make mats. Make mats means to weave or create mats from natural fibers.
Roast corn. Roast corn means to cook corn on fire or hot coals until it is ready to eat. Arrange tools. Arrange tools means to organize and place tools in their proper order or storage. Fill trough. Fill trough means to put fodder or water into a feeding trough for animals. Crush fodder. Crush fodder means to break or grind animal fodder into smaller pieces for feeding. Throw garbage. Throw garbage means to dispose of trash or waste in a proper place. Climb tree. Climb tree means to go up a tree using hands and feet. Feed bulls. Feed bulls means to give food to bulls for their nutrition and care. Load animals. Load animals means to place animals onto a cart, vehicle, or trailer for transport. Treat animals. Treat animals means to care for sick or injured animals and provide medical attention.
Groom animals. Groom animals means to clean and take care of animals' fur and hygiene. Herd goats. Herd goats means to guide and look after goats while they graze.
Unblocked drain. Unblocked drain means to clear a blocked water drain for proper flow.
Weigh grains. Weigh grains means to measure the weight of grains for storage or sale.
Sharpen tools. Sharpen tools means to make tools sharp and ready for use. Repair tractor. Repair tractor means to fix or maintain a tractor for farming work. Dig pit. Dig pit means to dig a hole in the ground. Burn weeds. Burn weeds means to set fire to weeds in a field to clear them. Remove stones. Remove stones means to pick up and clear stones from a field or area. Build boundary. Build boundary means to construct a boundary or fence around an area.
Repair canal. Repair canal means to fix or restore a water canal for proper flow.
Decorate house. Decorate house means to adorn or beautify a house. Make ropes. Make ropes means to twist or braid fibers to create ropes. Cut wood. Cut wood means to chop or cut wood into pieces. Operate tube well. Operate tube well means to use a tube well for drawing water from the ground. Use axe. Use axe means to chop wood or cut trees with an axe.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and stay connected with Elite English Academy.
Before the video ends, make sure to like and stay tuned for the next video to learn more fun actions.